We've just finished putting all the cables. As you can see behind me, it looks incredibly messy. Hi, welcome to Terra Trotter. I'm Alba Harden and welcome to video number 6. First things first, I just wanted to say happy holidays. It's Christmas Eve today, but whatever it is that you're celebrating, I hope you're having a lovely, peaceful, restful time with loved ones. And now moving on to today's video. So today's video is number 6 and it's going to be all about the electrics and the plumbing in the van. Very Christmassy, I know, but such is van life. We started doing the electrics quite a while back. It's something that we've kind of been doing little by little and around the things that we've been doing. We've been doing things like the ceiling, the walls, other things in parallel with the electrics and the plumbing, as it was something that it needed to be in place before obviously those things went into place, but we had to kind of work around it. So it hasn't been just do the electrics one day and that's that. It has been something we've been doing little by little, so you'll see quite a lot of changes going on inside the van. For example, we couldn't, insulate the van until we had the cables in place. For both things, we did get professionals come and just make sure that what we were doing was correct and that we weren't making any major mistakes. Here is everything that we did in regards to setting up our electric and plumbing systems.
Coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes, when I look deep into your eyes,
we've just finished doing all the cables for all the switches and plugs that are going to be needed, and we wanted to do that before putting in the walls so that it can obviously be all hidden. It looks, yeah, like a total mess. There are so many cables. You see here we've put all the, where they all go, so we've got a switch for lights. It's not focusing, but yeah, switch for lights, bathroom lights, outside light. So yeah, that was long, especially trying to get it, this one, getting it through here and then through into this bit. You can't even see it. And then it comes out here for the ceiling lights. That was so long, but we've done it, we've finished it. And yeah, we actually need to get a bit more cable for the pump. So we want here, there's going to be a wall. So let's see, yeah, that cube there, the plan is that is the bathroom. So there's going to be a wall here. This is going to be a seat, and here in this wall we're going to have here all the switches for the ceiling, for the bathroom, for the outside light, for the pump. All those things are going to be on the back of this wall, which is why we've got so many cables here. Obviously the batteries all be in the boot garage bit at the back.
It takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes.
So what we've just done here is connect. Here in theory there's going to be a speaker and we just connected it so it comes through to here and hopefully connect it to there.
When I'll be coming home, I wanna see you play the music of your heart. I'm followed by your light whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes. To your eyes, oh, when I look deep into your eyes, when I look deep into your eyes, when I look deep into your eyes. Stand by the fire, your tiny hand in mine. You're 5 feet off the ground, you rest on my shoulder.
We now have a plumbing system, so that is very cool. Back here in this area is where the water pump, the boiler, all those kind of things are going to go here. The electrics are going to be over on that side. We're going to try and put everything as close to this line here is going to be a wall. So we're going to try and get everything as close to here as possible. So we have tubes that go here. We've got this one's hot water, this one's cold water. These go here to where the sink in the bathroom is going to go. And then we have again here a hot and a cold for the shower. And then over here we have again hot and then cold down there. Here we go, hot and cold for the sink in the kitchen. That is that on the plumbing so far. We are waiting for the water boiler and such to arrive hopefully tomorrow, and then we can finish putting them in. Another thing that we also did, so this is another thing that we did, this here is for the outside shower, and then down here we have to get another one of these without a switch. One of these here to fill up the water tank from. That is the first step of the plumbing done. This morning what we're doing is we're finally going to put in the water heater. It arrived quite a while ago, but we hadn't actually put it in yet, so it's going to go down here somewhere. Let's see how it goes.
In this moment, forever be, forever be. In this moment, forever be.
We're about to cut the hole. Here goes nothing.
The night fades like a whispered song as time rushes on. Oh, it won't be long, fading now into a memory, a picture on the wall, a moment frozen not to fall. In this moment,
So if you enjoyed this video, it turned out to be a longer one than expected. I would really appreciate some support. Just, yeah, thumbs up, subscribe, all that fun stuff. If you want to check out any of the previous videos that I've done up until this point in the van conversion project, they'll all be linked below so you can go and check them out. I really tried to capture every step along the way. So the first video is actually about how we found the van that I'm currently sitting in and that we're converting. So yeah, aside from that, happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.